Did you know that broccoli could be your secret weapon for a hotter, healthier sex life? This humble vegetable isn't just for salads. It's a natural aphrodisiac that can boost your libido, balance hormones, and energize your intimate moments. Curious how? Stick around to discover how broccoli can turn up the heat in the bedroom. Welcome to Dr. Lab, your go-to channel for science-backed health tips to elevate your wellness. Today, we're diving into a surprising superfood, broccoli, and how it can spice up your sex life. Packed with nutrients and libido-boosting power, this green veggie is more than just a side dish. Let's explore 6 delicious ways to incorporate broccoli into your diet and ignite your passion. Ready to add some sizzle to your sex life with broccoli? Try these 6 tasty recipes and feel the difference. Subscribe to Dr. Lab for more health hacks. Share your favorite broccoli dishes in the comments. Let's get cooking and keep the spark alive. Broccoli does not just add some flavor to your pasta, it will do the same for your sex life. Yes, it is rich in essential nutrients and offers several health benefits, but did you know it can improve your sex life too? This green veggie is a natural aphrodisiac that will help you boost low libido and get you all hot and heavy in bed. If you are not convinced yet, know the benefits of broccoli for sex, and you will be buying buckets of it before you know it. Sex drive or libido is a person's natural and instinctual urge to have sex. It includes both the physical and psychological aspects of arousal and desire for sexual activity. Sex drive varies widely between individuals and can be affected by several conditions, according to a study published in the Encyclopedia of Endocrine Disease. Sex drive in women can be affected by many physical and psychological factors. Dr. Chetna Jain says that there are several reasons that may cause changes in your sex drive, including hormonal fluctuations during menstruation, pregnancy, breastfeeding, and menopause can all have an impact on libido. Certain hormonal changes may even cause vaginal dryness, which can be painful during intercourse and kill your sex drive. Stress, anxiety, and depression can take a toll on your overall well-being, including your sex life. These mental health issues might disrupt your body's hormones, making it difficult to feel aroused. They can also cause mood swings and make it difficult to enjoy sex. Plus, the physical signs of stress and depression, like fatigue or aches, may reduce your energy and enthusiasm for sex. How you feel about your body has a significant impact on your sex drive. If you enjoy and appreciate your body type, you will have more confidence and a better attitude towards sex. On the other hand, being unhappy with your appearance may affect your self-esteem and reduce your desire for affection. Benefits of broccoli for sex drive. Broccoli offers several sexual health benefits, as explained by the expert. Broccoli's benefits for boosting sex drive. Broccoli isn't just a nutritious side dish. It's a superfood that can enhance your sexual health in multiple ways, as supported by expert insights and scientific findings. Below, we expand on its benefits for sex drive, focusing on how its nutrient profile can ignite passion and improve intimacy. 1. Boost libido. Through nutrient power, broccoli is packed with essential nutrients like folate, vitamin C, and potent antioxidants which work together to enhance libido. According to a study published in the International Journal of Refrigeration, these compounds improve blood circulation, a critical factor for sexual arousal and performance in both men and women. Better blood flow supports stronger, more sustained arousal by ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach vital areas, enhancing sensitivity and responsiveness during intimacy. Folate in particular aids in the production of red blood cells, boosting energy and vitality, which can make you feel more energized and ready for sexual activity. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, reduces oxidative stress and supports healthy blood vessels, further promoting circulation and stamina. These effects not only heighten physical arousal but also contribute to an overall sense of well-being, making you feel more confident and in the mood for intimacy. 2. Supports. Hormonal balance broccoli contains phytoestrogens and other compounds that can help regulate hormones, which play a significant role in sex drive. For women, hormonal fluctuations during menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause can lower libido, while men may experience reduced testosterone levels due to stress or aging. The folate and vitamin B6 in broccoli support the body's ability to balance hormones by aiding in the metabolism of estrogen and other sex hormones. This balance can stabilize mood and energy levels, reducing barriers to sexual desire. Additionally, broccoli's high fiber content helps flush out excess hormones from the body, preventing imbalances that might dampen libido. 3. Reduces stress and enhances mood. Stress and mood disorders such as anxiety or depression can significantly reduce sex drive by disrupting hormones like cortisol and serotonin. Broccoli's rich supply of magnesium, B vitamins, and antioxidants helps combat these effects by supporting nervous system health and reducing inflammation. Magnesium, for instance, promotes relaxation and lowers cortisol levels, helping to alleviate stress that might otherwise kill the mood. Meanwhile, B vitamins contribute to serotonin production, enhancing mood and fostering a sense of emotional connection, which is essential for sexual desire. By incorporating broccoli into your diet, you can create a more conducive mental and emotional state for intimacy. 4. Improves energy and stamina. A vibrant sex life requires physical energy and endurance, and broccoli delivers on both fronts. Its iron content helps prevent fatigue by supporting red blood cell production, ensuring oxygen is efficiently delivered throughout the body. This boost in energy can make you feel more invigorated, reducing the physical exhaustion that might hinder sexual enthusiasm. Additionally, broccoli's antioxidants, such as sulforaphane, combat oxidative stress, which can sap vitality over time. By enhancing overall stamina, broccoli helps you feel more physically capable and eager for intimate moments. 5. Promotes healthy weight and body confidence. Maintaining a healthy weight can improve body image, which, as noted earlier, is closely tied to sexual confidence and libido. Broccoli's low-calorie, high-fiber nature makes it an excellent food for weight management, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable in your body. Its nutrient density also supports glowing skin and overall physical health, which can boost self-esteem and make you feel more attractive and desirable. When you're confident in your body, you're more likely to embrace intimacy without self-consciousness, enhancing your sex drive. How to incorporate broccoli into your diet to boost your sex drive. Adding broccoli to your daily meals is a simple and versatile way to harness its libido-enhancing benefits, thanks to its rich content of folate, vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients that support hormonal balance, energy, and overall vitality. By regularly consuming broccoli, you can improve blood circulation, reduce stress, and boost confidence, all key factors in elevating your sex drive. Below, we expand on the expert-recommended methods to include broccoli in your diet, offering creative and delicious ideas to make this superfood a staple in your meals while keeping your taste buds and sex life energized. 1. Crunchy broccoli salads for a nutrient boost. Toss steamed or raw broccoli florets into your salads for a crisp texture and a powerful dose of libido-supporting nutrients. Raw broccoli retains maximum vitamin C and folate, which enhance blood flow and energy levels, key for sexual arousal. For a quick salad, mix broccoli with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and a light vinaigrette made with olive oil and lemon juice. For added flavor and protein, which supports stamina, sprinkle in nuts, seeds, or grilled chicken. Try a broccoli Caesar salad with a yogurt-based dressing for a creamy twist that's both healthy and satisfying. Aim to include broccoli in your salads 2 to 3 times a week to keep your nutrient intake consistent. 2. Nutrient-packed broccoli smoothies. Blend broccoli into smoothies for a discreet and delicious way to boost your sex drive. Its mild flavor pairs well with fruits like bananas, berries, or pineapple, which mask any bitterness while adding natural sweetness. Combine a handful of steamed or raw broccoli with a banana, a cup of spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a filling, libido-enhancing drink. The folate and B vitamins in broccoli support hormonal balance, while the smoothie's energizing ingredients keep you vibrant for intimate moments. For an extra kick, add a teaspoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, which provide omega-3s to further support circulation and heart health. Enjoy a smoothie as a breakfast or post-workout option several times a week. 3. Vibrant broccoli stir-fries with lean proteins. Incorporate broccoli into stir-fry dishes for a quick, flavorful meal that supports sexual health. Sauté broccoli with colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, and pair with lean proteins such as chicken, tofu, or shrimp to promote muscle health and sustained energy. Use a sauce made from garlic, ginger, and low-sodium soy sauce to enhance flavor without adding excess calories. Broccoli's magnesium and antioxidants help reduce stress and improve blood flow, creating a more relaxed and aroused state. Prepare stir-fries 1 to 2 times a week, and experiment with spices like chili flakes to add a metabolism-boosting, libido-friendly heat to your dish. 4. Comforting broccoli soups for vitamin power. Transform broccoli into a warming, nutrient-rich soup, or add it to vegetable-based soups for an easy way to increase your intake of libido-supporting vitamins and minerals. A classic broccoli cheddar soup, made with a light cheese base to keep it healthy, delivers comfort and nutrition, while a blended broccoli and zucchini soup with herbs like thyme or basil keeps things light and flavorful. The fiber and antioxidants in broccoli aid detoxification and hormonal balance, supporting overall vitality and sexual wellness. Make a batch of soup for easy lunches or dinners, and pair with a slice of whole grain bread for a balanced meal that keeps you energized. 5. Roasted broccoli for a flavorful side dish. Roasting broccoli brings out its natural sweetness, making it a delicious and libido-boosting side dish. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, minced garlic, a pinch of sea salt, and spices like smoked paprika or cumin. Then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy. The antioxidants in broccoli, such as sulforaphane, support detoxification and reduce inflammation, which can enhance energy and mood, key for a healthy sex drive. Serve roasted broccoli alongside grilled salmon or quinoa for a nutrient-dense meal that promotes stamina and confidence. Include roasted broccoli in your dinners 2 to 3 times a week for consistent benefits. Aim to consume 1 to 2 cups of broccoli 3 to 4 times per week to maximize its libido-enhancing effects without overwhelming your diet content. If using raw broccoli, chop it finely to aid digestion. By creatively incorporating broccoli into your meals, you can enjoy its delicious versatility while supporting your sexual health. For personalized dietary advice or to address specific libido concerns, consult a nutritionist or healthcare provider. With these tasty ideas, broccoli can become your go-to ingredient for both nourishment and a spicier sex life.